Students, it's Mr. Vincent here again, and I'm here to talk to you about the quiz that we'll be having over the lesson over area. We did a lesson over area because we can apply this to real life situations, such as accurately painting a wall or putting carpet on the floor. Now, the first thing you'll do is you'll open up your email and you'll see that I've sent you an email with a link to a screen that will look just like what you have here. And the first thing you'll do on that, once you reach that page, is you'll answer 5 questions, one of which is putting your name in. So you'll put your name in here, and then you'll go through in your answer each of the 4 questions I have listed for you. Some are a little lengthy, so make sure you read through and read everything and read every detail so you don't miss anything. And make sure you do your work, show your work, and turn it in for bonus points in class. Once you have finished the quiz, you'll press submit and it'll take you to a screen that will look like this, and you can view your score and see how well you did. And you can see, as I didn't answer any questions, I didn't get any wrong or right, and so this is what it looked like, except there will be the answers available to see which ones you got right and wrong. Thank you guys, and good luck to you.